Dear kids, today we are going to learn how to write any tables between 1 to 100, and we will focus on those tables which are difficult to remember. Remembering tables can be very difficult sometimes. In this video we will learn different tricks for remembering tables 1 to 100. At the end of this video, you will be able to write any table between 1 to 100 within 15 seconds. Isn't it amazing? So let's start with tables 2 to 10. In this range, most difficult table is table of 9. There are different ways to write table of 9. Let's look into the most easiest way to write table of 9. Step 1. Write 0 to 9 from top to bottom as shown. Step 2. Write 9 to 0 next to it as shown. As you see, now you have to just merge the numbers next to each other and table of 9 is ready. Let's get into a range of tables 11 to 20. In this range 11 is the easiest table, so let's skip to 12. 12 is not that easy, so let's find a trick to write it. Let's write 12 on top and split it into a table of 1 and 2 as shown below. Now we just need to merge these numbers. But wait, we have a small trick when it comes to 5th position, as we cannot just merge 3 numbers. So trick is to add number from one's table, with first digit of number from table of 2. Like 5 plus 1 that is 6 and then write remaining number from table of 2 that is 0. So 12 5s are 60. Similarly 6 plus 1 is 7 and remaining 2 from table of 2s. So 12 6s are 7 merged with 2 that is 72. And so on. Here is your table of 12 ready. Let's look into one more example from the range of table 11 to 20. Let's write a table of 13 using same trick as we used from table of 12. Let's split 13 into table of 1 and table of 3 as shown. Write them next to each other, and now you know what to do. When it comes to 4th position, as we cannot just merge 3 numbers. So trick is to add number from one's table with first digit of number from table of 3. So 4 plus 1 that is 5 and then write remaining number from table of 2 that is 2. So 13 4s are 52. And so on. Here is your table of 13 ready. Before we shift our range from 11 to 20, I think we should look into table of 19. Here we are going to see 2 different tricks. You can decide which one is easier. So our usual method, let's split 19 into table of 1 and table of 9 as shown. Write them next to each other, and now you know what to do. Except first position, for rest we must add numbers to get the answer. And here is the table of 19 ready. Alright, as I have promised we will have one more trick to write table of 19, and I am sure you will find it easier. And you will love it. So simply just write all odd numbers between 1 to 20 as shown. Next write 9 to 0 in downward direction as shown. Now you just need to merge these number, no addition needed. Isn't it easy? Here is your table of 19 ready. Let's look into range of 30 to 50. Let's write a table of number 31. So our usual method. Let's split 31 into table of 3 and table of 1 as shown. Write them next to each other, and now you know what to do. Except last position, for rest we just merge number as it is. But when it come to 4 numbers to be merged, we use our method of addition. It is shown below. So not at all difficult, our table of 31 is ready. Let's take our range to 51 to 90, as I am just trying to cover examples, where we have minor variations. Remaining tables you can practice with the usual trick we have learned so far. Alright, so let us focus on table of 58. Usual way, I will split it into table of 5 and table 8. Follow our usual approach. Small variation to note here. As highlighted, while addition if we come across carry forward, we need to make sure we pass it correctly. As highlighted, we have 5 plus 5 equals to 10, so we have to pass carry of 1 to add it with 3. For remaining positions we do not have any carry, so we follow our usual way. As mentioned earlier, you can practice remaining tables using same trick. Let us look into one more example. Let us try table of 97. Don't worry, it sounds scary, but if we follow our trick, we should be able to write it. Usual way, I will split it into table of 9 and table 7. Follow our usual approach. There are no variations in this table. So our table of 97 ready. Alright then, hope you have learned the trick and now you can write any table between 1 to 100 within 15 seconds. Subscribe to our channel online_education, for more such tricks and video.